Hey guys, my name is Brian, this is Simply Lost, and it's time for a new adventure. So for today's adventure, I decided to come to Paris and show you one of my favorite areas around here, which is the area between Arc de Triomphe and the Eiffel Tower. So I kind of have an idea of where I'm going, but I didn't print the map, so I'm just going to be walking around and hopefully I get to the Eiffel Tower. So this is the avenue that'll take us directly to Trocadero, which is one of my favorite views of the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, I'm at Trocadero. I'm looking at the Eiffel Tower. It's not a very nice day. It's cloudy because it's supposed to rain in the afternoon. And it looks like there's a race going on. It's like a 10K. Normally I would go down here to go to the Eiffel Tower, but I'm not going to do that today because there's too many people. I also wanted to show you a bridge to see if you recognized it. So I'm going to be taking a little detour. I'm leaving Trocadero now. So this is the bridge I was talking about. I don't know if you recognize it. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. It's from a movie. So the movie this bridge is from is Inception. So if you got that right, let me know by clicking on the like button. Now we're going to continue the adventure by going to the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, I'm at the Eiffel Tower now. There's a lot more people than usual, probably because of the race. We're going to continue our adventure and going to Place de la Concorde, which is about 20 minutes walking from here. So let's go. So I just arrived at Place de la Concorde. This is the last stop of our not so crazy adventure. Now I'm going to walk through Champs-Élysées and then go to where we started. Hopefully there's not too many people because it can get really crowded. All in all, I think I walked about 2 hours, an hour and a half maybe. I'm at Arc de Triomphe again. This is going to conclude our little adventure. I'm gonna try to upload a new video every week. Next time I think I'll do a walk towards the north of Paris, which is Montmartre. Also a really nice area. Let's see if we can get 25 likes on this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also click on the little bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this adventure. See you next time, and remember, adventure awaits. Go find it.